All right, what's good, guys? Welcome to another trade recap. First trade of the week on Monday. Today we took an L. Unfortunate. It was a very nice setup, but for a winning statistic, you must have losses. Am I right? So today we did take an L, but it did go in the direction that I thought it would go. So today, first of all, checking Forex Factory. Today was a news Monday. We did have some news, but it was just orange folder. New home sales at 10 a.m. Not gonna wait for that, so it really doesn't change if it's a no news Monday or what. And then coming to today, we're still in this daily gap right here. Right, we're still in that daily gap. So I dropped down to the four. Oh yeah, first I mark out my previous day highs and lows. Nice, nice, nice. And 4 hour, we're in this bullish fair value gap. Then not much to see, but that we're in this bullish 4 hour fair value gap, and we have some highs up there. Hourly, as you can see, we're in this hourly fair value gap slash 4 hour, and we have a bunch of draws on liquidity to the upside, which I really like to see. So, oh shit. Today I was mostly bullish on the day and not bearish. Why not bearish? Because if we were to short, where would we short to? All the way down frick here. And that's going through no man's land unless we like completely sell off like drastically and then look for like a little pullback into a 5 15 minute fair value gap, then look for shorts. But I didn't think that was gonna happen today. So on the 30 minute here, this is where I marked up my session highs and lows. We had London, Asia right there. And then okay. Where is and then this right here is London highs. So what was my advice coming in today? On the Discord, I put it out. Good morning, how you doing? Leaning more bear. I was leaning more bearish today. I don't know why. Because we were still in the daily fair value. Oh, yeah, I know why. We're still in the daily fair value gap. We're still trending downwards. So, slowly trending downwards for shorts. I would like us to take out the highs above and short to equilibrium of the range. But for longs, we take out the hourly lows and fill in equilibrium for longs. Longs do look better for shorts today because of all those draws and liquidity to the upside. And this was what I thought right here. And look what happened, right? Boom. Exactly what happened. And then for shorts, yeah, if we did all that, not really much. And then picture of the daily fair value gap right there. But yeah, market opens right here. What happens? We're in this chop, and then we have London lows right frick over here, as long with these, as long with these lows right here. This low, and this low. So if it were to take out all this, I'd be comfortable taking some longs. And what happened? Market opened, we went up a bit, and then we went down, took out London highs, London lows, I mean. We're in this hourly fair value gap, like I said, bullish 4 hour and 1 hour. And then we tap into equilibrium of this 15-minute range right here. Where is it? Right here, this low to this, to previous day's highs. You can see equilibrium right here. After it taps into equilibrium, let me take out my executions real quick. But yeah, executions are for credibility. But here, as you, like I said, we take out London lows. We take out, no, we fill in equilibrium. We're in the 4 hour bullish fair value gap. We have clean draws on liquidity to the upside. And then we made this SMT right here. So I was definitely willing to take longs today. So then I was looking for the highest time frame inversion. Today, kind of like yesterday, not yesterday, Friday, it would not matter if you take this 1 minute gap, this 1 minute gap right here, take that as an inversion, but the highest time frame inversion, not the 3 minute, but the 2 minute. Started giving me good momentum to the upside, and very good momentum to the upside, really. Once we're getting this momentum, I enter after we inverse the gap. I entered in. Don't ignore that I took a trade on the practice, but yeah, we get good momentum. We enter in. I think it was with 6 contracts for a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Honestly, now that I'm looking at this, what I could have done better is maybe I wouldn't have gotten stopped out if I were to put my stops here below the low, then target Asian highs. What time would it that got taken out? 11:52. That'd have been a long ass trade for a long ass trade, but it would have hit. But I did not do that. I put my stop loss a little bit below the inversion, targeting that high right here, this hourly high, minimal, right? And then I would have gotten break even at this high right here after gotten taken out. It's very, very, how do I say it? Oh, damn, it's literally at 50% of my targeting. I didn't even notice that. Oh, that's good. All right. But yeah. What else to say? Yeah, it was pretty simple. It was a very good setup, honestly. I took the good setup. That's all I can do, really, right? Can't do nothing else. Could have changed how my position was. Could have put my stop loss below here and TP at Asia highs for a better risk reward, and maybe I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. But it's the process. Today, I definitely came into the mindset of, if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. I got to start sizing up on my trades because I'm risking a little bit too little. And in the long run, that will not amount to anything, really. And yeah, honestly, I just started. I risked around 300. I was going to risk 250. I was going to risk 250. Then when I entered, I think I did something wrong because I entered with 300. So I lost 300 today. As you guys can see right here, 300. Literally my losses beat my freaking things. But now we're down 430 on the month. Beginning of the week. It's whatever, honestly. I think we can make that back. We're down basically a band on the XFA and the funded. But yeah, all I can do is take good trades. And today was just it was a good trade, but the delivery was not there, right? The delivery was not the best. Yeah, delivery was not the best. If we were to, if I were to re-enter, this is what I would have done. Oh, I forgot to tell you. So I was looking at PB Blake's trade and what he did, because he caught a W today, obviously, because it's PB Blake. Here, what he did after he basically took the same trade as me, but different confluence. No, not different confluence. He took a different inversion. For the highest time for, he didn't, highest time frame inversion was a 2 minute, right? But since he's more experienced and all that, he used the 30-second, this 30-second for rally gap right here after it got inversed. He entered here. And he took profit here because he made the SMT at these highs right there. So that was a very good setup by him. He's more experienced, so can't really do nothing. I have to take the highest time frame inversion. Once I gain more experience with this inversion model, maybe I can pick and choose which fair value gap I want. But for now, I just got to stick with the strat really pick. use the highest time frame inversion because that's all I can do really, and journal this, back test more, and yeah, just improve. So how long? Yeah, 10 minutes. But yeah, total P&L. Damn. To be honest, bro, I'm not even gonna be mad if I blow this account, even though I'm like, I feel like it's better for me to blow this account than to stay in drawdown. But it really has to depend on the trades I take this week. Next month will be September. This is the last week of the month. Hopefully we can end on the month green. Because I definitely think, like, if I'm risking 250, right? And I'm down on the month, 430, 250 for 1 to 2, that's 500. If I can make a 1 to 2, yeah, a 1 to 2 and in an A plus scenario, I'm green for the month, and I'll be like down 500 something on that account. So if we can get two, oh shit! I just noticed. Hold up. Okay, I'm actually being retarded right now. But if we get at least 1 to 2 risk to reward, A plus setups before the week ends, I'm gonna be out of drawdown, and I'll be green on the month. So it'll be very good. So yeah, not now, but that's the trade recap for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Again, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Love y'all. You're my day ones. Make sure you guys go sub. Not sub. Go follow my other socials. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next trade recap tomorrow. Hopefully we can get an A plus setup, get in 1 to 2. Hopefully. But yeah, hopefully we can get a decent setup tomorrow. We're gonna risk very nicely. We're gonna use our risk management setup correctly and do what we can. Right, we gotta take the A plus setups. Hopefully we can get a drawdown this week because I know we can do that. And then try and going for that payout for September before my birthday because that's one of my goals as well. So if we can do this all correctly, no emotions in play, psychology is good, in check, and we get those 1 to 2s, A plus, at least 2, that's it. I just need 2 this week. 2 very good setups for the rest of the week. That's the only trade I'll take. And I'll get out of drawdown, and I'll be green on the month. I'll be green like 500 on the month. No, I'll be green on the month. I'll be green 500. And on the XFA, I'll be at break even again. I'll be out of drawdown. So, okay, I'm about to yap, but okay. See you guys on the next trade recap. Love y'all. Like and subscribe, and comment down below any video ideas. See you.